So what is your name?
My name?
Yes, your name.
My name na Ovuvue Enyetuenwe Ugbemugwem Osas.
Pardon? Come again.
Ovuvue Enyetuenwe Ugbemugwem Osas.
I mean, what is your name? Your name. I forget.
And my name I call for you now.
Call it again.
Ovuvue Enyetuenwe Ugbemugwem Osas.
Spell them.
I don't feel spell them.
I call again. I help you spell them.
Ovuvue Enyetuenwe Ugbemugwem Osas.
Jesus. How would they spell that for you?
Ovuvue Enyetuenwe Ugbemugwem Osas.
Where was that from?
It's not very simple now.
Where was that from?
Why?